Guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the admin section of this project so that we get the entire picture of how a fully functioning project looks like. In the past tutorial I showed you the sellers section, so now I'm showing you the admin section of this project. So we'll first run the project again. It will ask me for credentials. I will log in as an administrator. So once I log in, it will take me direct to the admin section. So this is our dashboard. We have the users section. From this users section, we can add a new user. We can edit a user based on their ID. We can also delete a user, and also we'll be having a table showing all the users available in this system. We have the products section where we have a table showing all the products available in the system and their quantities. We can add a new product. We can edit a product. We can update the stock, and we can also delete a product. So we have the sales section where we can search for a cell based on its bill number. For example, in case I say I need cell 8, a cell on bill number 8, I will just do this and it will open for me the cell. It will show me all the details: the bill number, the user who created the cell, the date, the grand total, and it will give me the option to print a receipt. And also it will show me all the products available on that cell or on that bill number. Alternatively, if you can locate your cell from the table, you just need to double click on it for it to open for you, where it open for you the entire cell showing the details, and it also give you the option to print the receipt. This section will also give you the opportunity to generate an Excel report. For example, if you click here on Excel report, it will ask you where you want to save your Excel report. Let me take it to the desktop, and I say EX1. I'll say OK. The file already exists. Okay, let me give it another name. Let me take it to the desktop. I'll give it EXT2. The file is created, so let me go to the desktop. So we'll get EXT2. It is here. Once we open this file, we should be able to see that we have all our data. So when you come here, we see that we have all our data. So the data is here for the products or for the items which were sold. To display all this data, let me wrap the contents so that we can be able to see everything. So I think you can now see everything here. This is the data we have currently. Currently there are 8 cells. Let me check the system. Yeah, there are 8 cells. So that is the Excel report section, and I know it's more useful to the people in accounts, whereby sometimes they will need to check or to do some Excel operations, like to know the product sold or bought most, and to track other stuff. Also, we have the data management section. This section will allow you to back up your data and to upload your data. For example, data backups, they are useful because actually it's recommended that you do backups like regularly. For example, you can say that you will do backups on a weekly basis, so that in case you lose your data, you have a backup which you can use to get at least some current data. Also, these data backups, they are useful in a way that if you are going to change the operating system of your device, you just make a backup, and after installing this software again, you upload this data or this backup so that you get all the products and all the products which you had in the previous software copy. You upload them in this new copy so that you don't lose your data.